this is for the ladies because maybe guys, I don't know, if you use braiding hair or you want to braid your hair. And yeah, because people are like, oh, how'd you do that? You know what I mean? Like, for some reason, they mustn't know how to do it. And see how I've got it, like, basically from, like, the root? Yeah. Well, I'm going to show you how I did that because it's, like, really secure and it won't come out for sure. So you get your braiding hair. Like, I get mine from, like a hair shop because, like, if you get the cheap one from, like, Temu or, like, eBay, it's a nightmare. You separate it and it all just goes into, like, one clump and it's, like, it's a nightmare. Anyway. Okay, so you just, like, separate a bit, like a thin bit or a thick bit, depending, like, how you want your braids, like how big you want them. Yeah, hang on. Okay, see, like that? Like that? Okay, so you get your hair now, like this. Hang on. Okay, so you got your braiding hair. Make sure it's, like, even. Okay, and then you just go, like, twist it around your finger, like that. Twist. And so you make a circle like this. See that? Okay, so we like that. Okay, now then hold that circle, get the bit of hair that you've, like, separated, okay? And then you're going to put that hair, this hair, you're going to put that through the circle that you just made, like this. And then you're going to make sure you push it down right to the root, okay? And then you, like, tighten it like this. Okay, so now you should have that hair out like that. Okay, now you just start braiding. Like, I'm doing it in the plait, like typical plait. I think that's what it's called. Not too sure. But yeah. And then you just start going like this. Hope I'm not messing this up. Hang on. Ah. Okay. So keep doing that. And then when, like, the hairs get into the end, because obviously the braiding hair is longer. So hang on. Just get to that the end of the real hair. Okay. That should do. So say, hang on, just a little bit more. Hang on. Oh my god. Okay, kind of. Okay. And then, like, when you get into the end of the real hair, just, like, go, like, separate one of the braiding hairs and make 3 again. So see how I've got 3? And then I've still got my real hair, but there's only a little bit left. So that's actually just there. And then you just start plaiting again, but you just, like, it blend in. You know what I mean? Like, look, there's my real hair there. Okay. But because we made 3, it's just, like, going to blend in. And you do it right, like, just before it's run out. And hang on. I'm trying to do it quick, but yeah. I really hope you're getting the idea. Like, I hope you know what I mean. I don't know if this has come across just totally, like, stupid or, like, hard or, like, I don't know. Because this is my first tutorial, so. And then, like, obviously I would braid it more, but because, like, this is just a quick tutorial, basically just to show you how to add it. I'm just gonna finish off here. So hang on. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay. Now, see? And that's like right at the root. So it like looks cool. And yeah, it's like really secure. Like I'm actually pulling on that and it's not coming out. So, and it's like, yeah, it looks whatever, natural or whatever. It looks good, I think, anyway. So if you want to know how I do that, right from the root and yeah, with no bands or whatever, that's how. Thank you. I mean, not thank you. You thank me. And yeah, you're welcome. Bye, guys.